how to handle work stress at a job. Welcome to part 3 of this video series. In this video, we are going to talk about why it is super important to have a support network to handle your work stress. So what I mean by support network? So the support network means nothing but the group of people that you will create to whom you can always rely. The people in this group must be already been through the same job and the responsibilities that you are currently in, so that they can help you in your challenging situation at your job. So let's dive into how having such a reliable group of people can give you the guidance, emotional support and a safe space to open about any challenges that you are facing at your workplace. Specifically, when you are just in the initial stage of your career, then it is completely normal to feel stressed, uncertain or even bit down sometime. But don't worry, that's where your support network comes in. These are the awesome folks you can count on when things are getting tough for you. They are like your career cheerleaders. First of all, having a support network gives you guidance. When you are stuck in your work, it can be a lifesaver to talk it out with someone who has been there before. Exploring ideas with someone who knows your job or industry can help you to get the solution faster. Another fabulous thing about having a support network is the constant encouragement that they will provide. Sometimes we all need a little push to keep going when we feel like stressed. Your support group will help you there to lift you up, push you forward, and also remind you that you are capable of awesome things. Last but not the least, support network offers you a safe space to share your struggles. We all know that work isn't always a rainbows or unicorn, right? And in competitive work environment, it can be tough to admit that you are facing difficulties. But with your support crew, you can let it all out without a fear of judgment. Plus, they might have some fresh perspective on how to tackle your challenges. So, to sum it up, having a solid support network is absolute game changer when it comes to handling work stress. Remember, asking for help and learning from others is a sign of a strength, not weakness. So don't hesitate to reach out to your support network when you need a little boost. You won't regret it, trust me. If you are a working professional and you already have such a support network built for yourself, then please let me know in the comments and share your experience in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you really like this video, then hit that like button and also click on the subscribe button so that you will get the notification the moment when I upload any such valuable content. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.